So we're going to make the roof barriers now. So we're going to start by putting down a blast. And then we need to look at our part type. And if that is equal to roof, and delete non-selected so we get that. Make a group. This is going to be an edge group, and this is going to be unshared edges. Turn that off. Turn on include edges, unshared edges. And this will just get all the edges around that don't have two polygons connected to them. Make another group. Roof edge is what this one's going to be called. It's going to be a point group. And we're going to go at roof edge equals 1, that attribute we made earlier. And then we need a group promote. I'm going to promote our group, our roof edge, to an edge group from points. And then we need a group combined. And in this group combined, we want to take our roof edge equals roof edge and intersects with unshared edges. And I'm going to put down a poly extrude. Roof edge. And we want to transform extruded front globally. And I'm going to move it up 1.5. And then we want to output an extrude side group, because I want to blast away the extrude side, delete non-selected. And then I'm going to do a for each connected piece to loop over these all. This is mainly for the next bit when we generate the UVs, but we might as well put it in now. And we're simply going to poly extrude .5. Let's output it back. And turn off text coordinates. Put down a wrangle. And inside here, switches the primitives. And we want to set the part type to be equal to barrier. Because that should be coming through on the primitives, yep. And then we want to promote that from a primitive to a point. for later. And the reason we're doing that is so it overrides the original primitive one, rather than just setting it as a point group here. And then we want to put down a blast. And switch this to primitives. Sorry, not a blast. We want a delete. I'm going to turn off this and go to normal, enable that. Set a spread angle of 1, a direction of -1, and that should delete all of our faces off the bottom, which we don't need. So this will cause one issue on a very particular piece, and that is this bit here, which I believe is 404, and that is because it has this piece here where it overlaps, which we can fix. Some of this is for the next part of the video for the setup, but first I want to put down a sort, and we're going to sort by vertex order. Now I'm going to make a quick wrangle. Actually, this doesn't need to be a wrangle, this can just be a group, because that's all we're doing. And group. And 0 and 3. We want this to be a point group. And then I need to put down a unique points node. And do that only on our end group. It's sort of fixed it. Not quite. It's alright. This bit will just be broken until we do the next part of the setup, which is primarily to get the UVs done. So I'll leave it to the next video. You see it's a little bit better though, but we will fix this. Cool. So yeah, again in the next video we'll do the UVs for these.